Now let's give the header a temporary background. And why? Because we need to see everything that is happening, so I guess it will be better to give the background of black. Just temporarily, like that. Yes, so now we have a temporary black background, and let's go and do the next step. We need now to go and add the rest of the hero section HTML content. So let's do that. We need three things: H1, P, and a button. Let's do that. So here we will remove this, and we will put a hero content div like that. And this hero content, I will center the text, and let's add the content for this hero content div. Just to shorten the time, I will copy that here because I do not want to make the videos too long, and at the same time nothing will be abstracted from the explanation. So let's explain what we have put here. We said that we have made a hero content div to be like a wrapper for our H1 and paragraph and button. Let's see what we have put in all of these. In the H1, we gave it a class display2, which will make this a little bit big, and we made a span that will inherit the display2 actually, but we will change that through the CSS. The span that we made is for the nomadic budgeting that we will change to nomadic lifestyle. This is the brand name, so we will make it with the Andela font family. And we have a paragraph. We give the paragraph a padding top of 3 because we don't need it to be just like sticking to the H1 above it. And the last thing, we have made a button. The button, we call it an explore, and we gave it a btn warning just like to let it appear on the screen, but we will remove that and we will make our own customized colors. We gave it a padding X of 5 because we want to make it a little bit wide, and we gave it a padding Y of 2 because we do want it to be like, and we gave it a padding Y of 2 to make it look bigger. The margin top is also 5, not to stick to the paragraph above it. And let's see how our content is translated in the page. So yes, we have it right here. Remember that this is an H1, that's why it's taken the Andela Maida font style, but we will change these. We will only put the header font for this, and this one we will change. And here is the font, the paragraph. I know it's very small, but we will change that, of course. And this is our button that we will change right now. And actually we will change it as a global button because we will use it along the whole landing page. So let's go and start styling these things. So we have finished that. Let's go and mark it here as finished. We have added the hero section HTML.